All right, hello. Today I am going to show you how to pack for Europe on a true minimalist packing schedule. And we're going to go with just one pack, one carry-on, and a carry-on that can fit underneath any airplane seat, even Ryanair. So let's get started. All right, my name is Scott, and I spent about 2 years traveling back and forth for work to the UK and Europe, and learned a few skills along the way on how to do the lightest possible packing that could get you on any airline, any airplane. Made the trains easy, made touring around London easy, made getting in and out of the museums where they didn't look at you funny because you had your big, crazy, even a backpack that's like huge can be a little bit too much for touring. So this will get you off the plane. This will get you onto a train and fitting in and going straight to touring if you'd like to do that. So, and this is like, to me, truly minimalist type of packing. So first of all, I start out with, I have figured out that I like a bag about this size. I think it's like 9 by 14 by 6 inches. And this will fit under the seat of even Ryanair. This is a briggs&riley bag, but I mean, there's tons of bags like this. But they're about, you can kind of see the size of it here. It's not much. And this is going to be like everything that, I'll fit everything into that bag. And it has a computer pouch here on the back. It's padded, got straps. And it also has a little pouch you can fit on a roller bag right here, but I don't really use that anymore. And then it's got just a big compartment that holds 2 small packing cubes if you'd like. I usually use just one packing cube in there, and then it's got an outer pocket here for like maybe some little cards and things like that. It's also got an inner pocket that you can keep more valuables and that type of thing in. That's on the inside of the bag. And so what I'll do is I've got just a simple, I think this is a Rick Steves packing cube here. Pretty simple. I'll have 2 pairs of socks, and I'll have 2 pairs of underwear in this, and then I've got a little tiny Speedo swimsuit because we're planning on going to the beach. I'll do 1 pair of shorts, an extra one t-shirt extra, and then maybe one either long sleeve t-shirt, or this is a sun shirt that I have here because we're going to be going to the beach. And then I will also wear like a pair of jeans, a button-down shirt, another t-shirt, of course, another pair of underwear and socks. And then on the plane, for boarding the airplane, I'll obviously get to wear a set of clothes. So typically I'll have just a button-down shirt that's not too bad, maybe a sweater over the top of that. So I'm kind of wearing 2 of those things, either a pair of just kind of sporty slacks or blue jeans, and then a light jacket, and all that will be carry-on along with my hat. And usually I'll only take 1 pair of like dark colored, high quality tennis shoes. And so I'll take something like this, and these are kind of dressy enough that they'll fit with, you know, some nicer clothes. Now I will try to take like the button down, works nice if you're at nicer restaurants. And sometimes I'll take either just, this is a light jacket, which is, you know, more for if you're doing a lot of touring and outdoors, but also like a sport jacket or a sport coat might be better than a light jacket, just depending on what the events are, that dresses up almost anything that you're wearing. I also have a hat that I've got. This is a Scala, like a crushable wool cowboy hat. Makes me look nice and American. Pair of sunglasses. I have a tiny Eagle Creek packing cube for all my toiletries. And toiletries, I mean, it's just a tiny bottle of deodorant, tiny bottle of toothpaste, some sunscreen. You know, I've got a beard, so I don't really need to shave too much, but I do have a razor in there. I've got, and then just some essentials like a bottle of aspirin and pills, dental floss, nail file, things like that. So it's, I don't really take shampoo or soap. I either buy it there or grab it from the hotel that I'm at. So really, this is all I have. One thing I will do with my toiletry kit is I'll split things into a dry baggie and then some things into a liquids baggie, so that if you're going through the airport and you need to pull out liquids, you pull out this baggie that has your liquids in it, and it's simple to just get right through security. Okay, for electronics, I've got computer, MacBook. I've got another nice Rick Steves. You can tell I like Rick Steves. So this is a Rick Steves travel bag that I think this is actually for electronics, but it's got some nice little pouches inside here. And then really all I'll have is power cord. This is like a Mac with a USB-C adapter that has like a USB 2.0 and then also another C adapter, and then an HDMI because we like watching movies and stuff, and then an extra cord C to my iPhone. And then I might take an HDMI cord, but a lot of times I'll just grab it off the TV at wherever we're staying if I need something to use. Not to take, but just to use it to connect to the TV. I'll unplug that. Might take a battery backup or a charger backup, but a lot of times I'll just leave this at home. And then the power cord for the Mac is all I'll have. Of course, reading glasses for me. So I'll throw that in there too in my bag. Okay, so here's what it looks like all laid out. Actually I have some travel documents. I'll stick those in my computer compartment, so that'll go with that. And then packing cube, electronics, the travel kit will all go in the big central compartment. And I also have a couple little knickknacks here that might fit in the bag. I've got we're going to Spain, so this is a Spain adapter with a couple plugs. Smaller is even better on that, but I'm probably gonna have some friends around, some kids around that'll need that, and some family. Here's a tiny little pill bottle, this old Advil bottle, some like earring things. I got an earring, so I've got a couple extra little bag for that. Pouch with a passport to wear around my neck. This is from Eagle Creek, but I like wearing this kind of around my neck under my clothes. A vaccine card, which is kind of important nowadays. Masks, because there's still places that you have to wear masks at museums. Okay, so let's get all this packed up. Got our bag here. And the first thing here is packing cube. So right down in this pocket here. And then toiletries right on top of that. Kind of like that. Electronics bag. Okay, and that's kind of the main compartment. I'll either wear my passport, or while I'm on the plane, I'll stick it in this. There's an inner pocket right here. So this is gonna go right in there, along with this vaccine card, my mask, kind of very, very deep down in there. Wallet's gonna go with me, probably sunglasses will go with me. And then these two items and the pills will go into this zippered pocket in the middle. So and that's ready to go. So then computer in the back. And then some paperwork here. Let's put this up. This is train tickets for Spain. A folder, manila folder here ready to go. I'll stick that down in there too. So there's kind of how all that fits in. And might even throw my sunglasses in. And there's even room, so one thing I'll do is I'll grab a plastic water bottle that's just empty and kind of crush it, stick it in here, so when I get through the airport I'll be able to fill that back up. And we are ready to go. Europe for 2 weeks. I think a key concept to packing light is not to think, what if I need something, and then take it. It's to think of, could I get this in Europe if I really needed it? Like, am I going to use it every day? If it's no, then don't bring it. Is it going to be, is it a one-time use item? Don't bring it. If you could buy it fairly cheaply, then don't bring it. If I can buy a t-shirt in Europe, I can buy, if I could buy all my toiletries if I had to, so you could leave some soap or shampoo or things like that behind. and just buy there. You could buy a pair of shorts, you could buy extra shirts. Sometimes it's fun to leave something behind on purpose, and then you have a shopping trip, and then it's another experience, you know, like locals are in that city. So it is kind of fun. And then you have, a lot of times you have an item then, when you bring that pair of shorts back, or a jacket that you bring back, and now you have that for like, you know, the next 2 or 3 years at home, and you get to remember that trip by it. So think about it like that. If you don't need it, you know, if you're not going to use it frequently, don't bring it. And if you need something, just buy it there.